Most people believe they need to pay off every old collection or medical bill before they can qualify for a mortgage in Virginia. The truth is that paying an old collection can actually drop your credit score because it resets the activity date on that negative account. When you wake up in old debt, the credit bureaus treat it as a brand new negative event, which can lead to an immediate denial of your loan. Many mortgage programs actually allow us to ignore medical collections entirely if they meet certain criteria or dollar amounts. By rushing to pay these off, you might be wasting thousands of dollars in cash that you desperately need for your down payment and closing costs. As your mortgage maestro, I can look at your specific credit report and tell you exactly which items need to be addressed and which should be left alone. We use strategic credit planning to ensure your score stays as high as possible so you can secure the best interest rate available before you send a single dollar to a debt collector. Call me Duane Buziak at Coast to Coast Mortgage Lending so we can protect your approval together.